pressure. Now I'm feeling the pressure, pressure. Now I'm feeling the pressure, pressure. Okay, this side. Hey, pressure. One more time. Now I'm feeling the pressure. Hey, now I'm feeling the pressure. Hey, now I'm feeling the. I said now I'm feeling the pressure. Hey. Everybody say pressure, 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 pressure. I'm feeling love. Okay, you better flourish in the woo! I'm happy you guys have been enjoying it so far. These are my favorite shows to do, like I said. I get to really connect and interact with you guys. You guys are so dope. So this is the part where I perform my last song, but right before I do it, I plug myself. Yay! So if you, hey, pause. If you guys, chill out. You gotta chill. If you guys want to follow me on any and all social media services, any and all streaming music services, I am Superlative Sain. That is S-U-P-E-R, super, L-A-T-I-V-E .S-A-I-N, Superlative S-A-I-N. That is my name. It means the best to bless. This next song that I am about to do, it's out on all streaming services, but quick forewarning, it sounds nothing like how I'm about to do it. I completely stripped it down. It's actually an Afrobeat, dancehall, R&B kind of vibe, so when you go on to the streaming services, it's called On My Way. It's called On My Way, so if you are of Caribbean descent, my family is fully Jamaican. I was born in the UK. You know what it takes.
Top shotter.
But if you're not of that descent, I hope you catch the vibe and you enjoy the little thing that I have going on. Yes, sir. You know.
The little thing.
So this one's called On My Way. I'm on my way. When you call on my phone when you're home, say you're so lonely, you can call on me. And I'm on my way to have you sit on the throne, 'cause when grown girl come round and play. Oh, I'm on my way. Soon as I reach your door, yeah, they close upon the floor. Said, you've been needing more pleasure like I done before. Let me learn your body, let me go explore. Diving deep into your ocean, your water start pour. I'll be on my way when you call me, 'cause I'm on it. I love a little foreplay, yeah, you're naughty. What we doing, you're not happy, tell nobody about me. Drinking you while having sex on the bench, hey. Yeah, you know I say you're at the ever best. I pull up, you're not happy, feel no stress. Yes, yes, yes. Let me pull that zip up on your dress. Get undressed, yo, we are gonna make a mess. Yes. Take it to the room or to the back seat. Never know, say me would I make you easy. Love it when you use me more than the teeth. You know, say the none is not deep. I'm on my way. When you call up my phone when you're home, say you're so lonely, you can call on me. And I'm on my way to have you sit on the throne, 'cause we're grown, girl, come run and play. Oh, I'm on my way. She called me up on a Friday. She said she wanna give it to me sideways, Above 20 on the highway. Roll a split up and make sure say it's spicy. I'm on my way. I'ma do what you say. You've been on my mind all day. Do what you want to my body. So tell your friends that you're mine tonight. They think I'm rude, but to you I'm polite.